So this is our prototype for Restaurant Advisor for COSC2100 with Dr. Brylow. So when you first open the program, it comes to our login page here with our logo and title and stuff. And you have a username and password field. For username, you can put in anything you want. For now, we'll put in test username. Password for right now needs to be test pass. And just to show you, if you type something in that isn't that and you try and log in, it'll give you an error here. So if you change that to say test pass, it'll log you in. And then this brings you have two tabs here on the main page. You have your restaurants tab and your shopping cart tab. To start, obviously your shopping cart will be empty. All the restaurants here and all the information within them are read in from text files. So we have a restaurant list.txt here, which reads in all of the different restaurants, their information, as well as their menus. So if you look, you can click on any of the restaurants, it'll bring up an address, phone number, email, hours, all that kind of stuff. And then the next page has the menu, which comes up in this nice little table here, which also you just add to this text file here, so it's very easy to add more restaurants as long as you follow this formatting here. So for the menu, you've got your different items. You can add them to your cart by opening this drop down here. So say we want Chick-fil-A nuggets, we want to add 3, we can add to cart, and then if you go to your shopping cart, you'll notice that it's there. If you go back to your restaurants, you also have the reviews tab. So you'll notice that next to each of the names of the restaurants is a number out of 5, and that's the average rating for the restaurant. So right now Chick-fil-A has an average rating of 3.25 out of 5. So we'll add a review here. We'll say 5. Very good food, would visit again. And then when you submit your review, you'll notice that it pops up right here, and it also updates the average rating of the restaurant there. And then when you go to your shopping cart now, you'll notice that the Chick-fil-A nuggets that we added are there. So just to see, you can add foods from any restaurants that you want. It doesn't have to just be from one restaurant. Right now we didn't limit it to that. So let's say you want to get a taco from Qdoba, and you also want to get some mac and cheese from Noodles & Company. So you add that to your cart, and you'll notice that they all show up here, and then there's a checkout button, and when you click that, it'll thank you for using Restaurant Advisor and tell you your order's been placed before closing, and then you can reopen the program. You'll also notice that our reviews are saved into a separate text file here. So how it works is if we log back in, oops, I typed that in wrong, I guess. There we go. If you go to Chick-fil-A and look at the reviews, you'll notice that the review we entered is still there. So every time the program is closed, it rewrites the review file to make sure that it's completely up to date and it stores data between runs.